Okay, everyone. Happy Saturday. And today I want to welcome you to something new called A Plus Setups Discord. This is a group by a friend of mine that's been trading probably 30 years or more. Excellent trader. This is a phenomenal Discord. You won't see anything like it, trust me. I'm just going to go through some of the basic stuff they have here. Let's see. We have a trader's roadmap plans. A lot of videos in here. Product ideas. All the A plus indicators. The regular indicators. Templates, Ninja Trader templates, ATMs, members' contributions, workspace templates, and then Thinkorswim indicators. Now, Brian, the owner of this, trades options a lot with pairs trading and then options. If you're interested in that, we use Markers Plus as well. It's not something that you have to have. There's trading bots that are being developed right now, which are pretty awesome. These levels, Sorum's levels, get posted every day. Phenomenal levels. And then these are the setups. The number one setup being the Jiggle. Fantastic. Unbelievable results with this Jiggle. Here's an example here, which I'll show you more about that later. Bottom picker, this is fairly new. Here's an example of a setup on the RTY, 2 minute. Just loaded with all kinds of excellent information in here. Centerline trading. And there's templates and everything you need for all this. Basic setup for the John Wick. He also does afternoon live sessions every day except for Friday. Pretty much every day, and evening sessions. And they're all recorded for you. We have a members chat, members only chat. Great community of guys in here. And then there's the trading room, live trading room, every day starting at 9:30. These are options trading, some stuff like that. And then there's stats in here somewhere. Which are going to show you everything that's been done, how well everything's been performing. I know the Jiggle by itself has been doing about 83%. So, if you want to make some money, this is the Discord you need to be in. And here's the best part of all, guys, the ridiculous price of this. $29.99 a month. Are you kidding me? That's absolutely ridiculous. That's all it's going to cost you, plus I'm going to give you a coupon code to use for a further discount. Let me just go over here to my Discord and show you this. Switch screens here. This is A Plus Setups in my Discord. This is a post here by Brian. The beast is back. The Jiggle setup is tearing the NQ futures market up. Last 20 trades of the day. 56 winners and 7 losers. Look at this. 20 trades a session, all winners. So, if you can't make money trading with this Discord, you might as well quit. Just absolutely phenomenal results. Anyways, I hope that helps everybody, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the Discord. Thank you and take care.